So, tabs contains all tabs where you can find the related command and groups and buttons. It is located under the quick access toolbar. The next is slide tab. Contains the outline tab and the slide tab where you can rearrange your slide and switch between slide and outline of the presentation. So ribbons, it is located near of the screen below the quick access toolbar where several tabs are displayed with related command groups. Group, it is located inside the ribbons where the buttons are divided or separated based on their categories. Slide pane shows a large view of the current slide that you are working on. So design template, where you create a new presentation based on one of the PowerPoint design. Note panes is used to type notes about your slide in normal view. View is located on the state bar and presentation views under View tab. It lets you view your presentation. Each view represents one way to look at your presentation. Normal view is the editing mode where you'll work most frequently to create your slide. Slide sorter view lets you see your slides on the screen on a grid that makes it easy to reorganize them into sections. Slideshow view. Instead of waiting and clicking, you can make your PowerPoint files open directly in slideshow mode, taking you from desktop to presentation in a flash. Zoom area. A graphical control element that allows you to zoom in or out of an object or a document. Microsoft Office button performs many of the functions that were located in the file menu of the older version of PowerPoint. This button allows you to open a new presentation, open an existing presentation, contains the save and save as commands, print, send, or close. Located just above the ribbon, the Quick Access toolbar lets you access common commands no matter which tab is selected. By default, it includes the save, undo, redo, and start from beginning commands.